Hi, I am Nagaraj, Executive Chef Aditya Park. Today we are celebrating Strawberry Festival. This is different from other festival. You might have heard about regional cuisine, but this is different from other festivals because the main ingredient is strawberry. Being a strawberry season, we have decided to go with strawberry as a main ingredient, and we prepared all the cuisine, like entire course we prepared with strawberries. We used almost all the items. We used strawberries in that. Strawberry bruschettas, and this we made with strawberry salsa, and we put cheese on top and baked it. And this is strawberry salad. We used carrot, cucumber, corn and peas and strawberries as well. And then we decided to go with the two dressings. One is strawberry vinaigrette, other one is cocktail dressing. This is strawberry pizza. This is just normal, like a normal pizza. Instead of vegetables, we used strawberries and then we put cheese and baked it. So this is a strawberry pizza, and this is strawberry sandwich. Instead of vegetables, we use strawberry butter here, and we stuffed with all the strawberries. So this is like more like an open sandwich, so that you can see the strawberries on top. It's visible, and the look is very good. This one is strawberry, pineapple and cheese sticks. This is strawberry bruschettas. Here we use salsa made with strawberries and topped with cheese and baked it. This is starter. And one more, we prepared salad as well. This is also made with strawberries. We have carrot, peel and cucumber, corn and green peas. And here we have two dips along with this, two dressings, and one made with strawberries. It's strawberry vinaigrette, other one is mayonnaise. This is strawberry pizza. We used pizza base and concasse made with, we used strawberry pulp in it, and then put some strawberries on top and cheese and baked it. This is sandwich made with strawberries again, and this is open sandwich. We use strawberry butter applied on the bread, and then sliced strawberries, salt and pepper with lettuce. This is strawberry, pineapple and cheese sticks. This is stir-fried vegetables with strawberries. Here we used all Chinese greens, and then strawberries, along with the strawberries we tossed it. This is grilled fish with strawberry butter, clarified butter. Then we added puree in it, strawberry puree. And then we clarified the butter, and this is grilled the fish, and then pour the sauce over, and this is it goes with along with strawberries tossed in butter. This is stuffed chicken with strawberry cream sauce. Here we stuff the chicken with strawberries, then the cream sauce pour over, and it comes with this pulao made with strawberries, and anyway it goes with along with the chicken. This is stir-fried chicken with strawberries. We made salsa with strawberries, and pulao made with strawberries goes along with that. This is Octa's fish with strawberries. We toss the fish along with the strawberries, again goes with the salsa and strawberry pulao. And we made few beverages as well along with, I used strawberry. This is strawberry soya milkshake. Instead of milk, normal milk, we used soya milk in this, and we added strawberries and made with that. And we have strawberry lassi. This is normal yogurt used, and we used strawberries in it, and we made strawberry tea. This tea is made with strawberries. This is strawberry cheesecake. Same way we use strawberries and made pie as well. This is strawberry pie. Strawberry funfair. This is also dessert with 2 layers of cookies base and topped with cream and strawberries filled in that. Then garnished with strawberry. This one is strawberry tarts. Tarts we filled with cream and strawberries in it, and nuts as well. This is strawberry malabia made with cream and milk and chopped strawberries in it. Then we have to set it. We add a little gelatin and set it.